On this episode of Sailing from Scratch, we head out of La Cruz for the final time this season. We spend 2 nights anchored in Punta de Mita and 1 night in Chacala before making the 5-day passage to Los Muertos in the Sea of Cortez. We enjoyed a perfect sail with calm seas, beautiful sunsets, and even a whale spotting.
Cool! Awesome!
Drink the broccoli water. Okay, hold it.
Don't do that. That's disgusting.
Drink the broccoli water.
What is wrong with you? Hey, stop. You're gonna choke.
I've already done it once. Drink the broccoli water.
When there's nothing else to do, what the children do to entertain themselves.
Everyone was excited to make landfall. We were all ready to stretch our legs and enjoy the shore. Join us next week as we continue to explore the Sea of Cortez, swim with whale sharks, and join another cruising family to head to Puerto Penasco for hurricane season. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Sailing from Scratch.
Hey, whippersnappers, not the old cavity in the dentures. You know, that's Anya the ball for you.